Hello, welcome to Jet Mathematics. I remain your host, Milton Ebiwari John. In this video, we'll be looking at division of fractions. So we have examples on the board. The very first example says, divide 4 over 5 by 3 over 8. So I'm going to solve that. Solution says divide 4 over 5 divided by 3 over 8. Now we can write this as 4 over 5 divided by 3 over 8. Now to solve this, we'll multiply the numerator and the denominator by the multiplicative inverse of the denominator. We are doing this so that the denominator can become unit or 1. So we have multiplying the numerator by the multiplicative inverse of the denominator, which is 8 over 3. Then multiply the denominator 2 by 8 over 3. Alright? So when you do this, we are going to have 4 times 8 over 5 times 3 all over 3 times 8, 3 times 8 over 8 times 3. Okay, so at the end of the day, we are going to have here 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 8 is 32. Then 5 times 3 is 15. Then the denominator is reduced to 3 times 8 is 3 times 8 is 24, and 8 times 3 is also 24. So we have here 32 over 15 over 1. Remember, 24 divided by 24 is 1. So remember, anything divided by 1 still gives us 32 over 15. Alright, 32 over 15. Then you can simply reduce this. Okay, there's nothing common between 32 and 15, so this is the lowest term. So we just express this as a mixed number. So 15 to 32 goes twice, remainder 2 over 15. So this is our final answer. Alright, a unique method, and you see several things that you already taught in the normal classroom. Alright, let's see example 2. Solution. One number 3 over 5 divided by two number 2 over 15. Okay, so here we will change them to improper fraction. 5 times 1 times 3. 5 times 1 plus 3 is 8 over 5 divided by 15 times 2 is 30 plus 2 is 32 over 15. Right? Next, we'll use 8 over 5. Adopting this method, in short, remember here is reduced to 1. Everything at the denominator is reduced to 1. You see that all you needed to do was to multiply the numerator by the multiplicative inverse of the denominator. So we just do that here and we get, so we are going to multiply the numerator by the multiplicative inverse of the denominator. So we have times 15 over 32. So this saves you the stress of going through all of the process we did in example 1. So here we have 8 times 15 is, let's do that here, 15 times 8. This is 0, and this is 120. 120 divided by 32. 32 times 5 is 160. 160. So reducing this to its lowest form, we are going to have, dividing 120 and 160, what is common? We know 10 is common to both of them. 10 is a factor of 120. 10 also is a factor of 160. Then 4 also is a factor of 120. And 4 also is a factor of 160. So I'll say 40, 120 divided by 40 is 3. And 160 divided by 40 is 4. So reducing this to its lowest term, you have 3 over 4. Please share, like, comment on this video. See you in our next video. Bye.